When I was studying mechanical engineering, we were learning about aeroplane wings. We talked about the similarity between those and wind turbine blades. And I realized in that moment, oh, I could work in the renewable energy sector. I could actually do something that could make a real contribution to society. Powin is a Tier 1 battery energy storage system integrator. We're a global company and we have 17 gigawatt hours of BESS systems either operating or under construction around the world at the moment. My role at Powin is to price up energy systems, and then the other side is the long-term servicing agreement. It's important to move away from burning fossil fuels because they contribute huge amounts of greenhouse gas to the environment. What's unique about the Waratah Super Battery is that it's the largest battery energy storage system being commissioned in the world at the moment.
The relationship between Acacia and Powin started almost 3 years ago now. Powin were the only guys that could actually deliver the whole system. This has been the largest deployment of megawatt hours of battery storage energy ever in the world. The Waratah Super Battery project is an 850 megawatt, 1.6 gigawatt hour battery project. So 850 megawatts of power is the single biggest connection point in Australia, but it's also the most powerful battery in the world by megawatts. And that's roughly equivalent to about 21,000 electric vehicles. And its primary function is to provide a system strength service to the network using 700 megawatts. Effectively, what this project is doing is providing a virtual transmission service to the line inland and protecting 8 million people's homes that would go black across Sydney, Wollongong and Newcastle, which are the main load centres within New South Wales.
The battery energy storage system takes energy or electricity from wind turbines or solar PV plants and stores it and releases that electricity when there's demand. The battery energy storage systems provide a really great way of stabilising the grid. Through really clever controls, we're able to provide mass power to the grid. I think it's been a really important step to put batteries into the grid to help us move forward for an ever-increasing population and an ever-increasing activity.
The Waratah Super Battery site previously was an old coal-fired power station. It was a traditional black coal power station that ran for 40 years or so, got decommissioned in 2016 and replaced with a very, very large battery in order to support and serve the network to allow more renewables to come in. Electrically, the site is live. Powin are completing various elements of their commissioning. And we've got about another 4 or 5 months worth of that testing to go before the full opening, which is roughly mid-2025. The future for battery storage systems is very bright. For Australia to achieve its energy transition and the penetration that we need to achieve for more decarbonisation, utility-scale battery storage is going to be incredibly important.
The environmental implications of huge-scale battery energy systems largely relate to mining, and we need to find the right recycling solutions at scale in the industry. The most exciting part of the future for renewable energy is the potential technologies that can come to be. When I started out my career, I never imagined that batteries would be delivered on site at such huge scales. Renewable energy is really important to me. I feel it's the way in which I want to leave my mark, make a contribution to society.